You want to make your own dash system, but you don't want to go through the tedious steps of making it and try to figure out what's wrong with it and why you're getting bugs. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can make your dash system work using the one that I already made previously in the past, and I'll be showing you guys every step you need to do to make this dash system work. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that you need to do is join a Discord so you can be able to get the download link, the RBXL link, so you guys can be able to have access to the system and be able to get started. Alright, so once you're on Discord, essentially this is going to be the first thing you see when you join. After you join, you want to scroll down until you see video downloads that will be in the info section. When you click on video downloads, you'll be able to see all the downloads that I do provide from all the videos that I have been making. So you can click on which one you can click on the one that you want, but for this video, we'll be doing the dash system. So we'll be scrolling up to the dash system, and our dash system is going to be right here. And then we're going to download this dash system and get started. When you hit the download button, you'll be prompted with the Roblox Advanced Dash System, and mine is number 4 because I downloaded it a couple of times to make this video. So and then after that, we can open the file, and it's going to open up a Roblox Studio. Just hit just once, and then it's going to take us to Roblox Studio. It's going to open our place for us, and we can get started. Some people might have a problem with trying to be able to import the Roblox download file into their actual studio. So to be able to do that, what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox Studio, and you want to go to the top left hand corner when you see new and go to all templates. You want to hit on base plate so we can enter a whole new Roblox place. Once you enter the Roblox place, you want to go to the top left hand corner of the screen, and you want to hit on open from file. When you hit from open from file, you want to go to your downloads folder or wherever the download file was located. You're going to click on the download file and you want to hit open. This is going to open the Roblox place you just downloaded so you can get started and get your dash system working right now. Alright, once we're in Studio, what you want to do is you want to go into your starter player, and then you want to go into your starter character scripts, and then you want to go into the local script. As you can see here, we have dashing, dash speed, and we have double taps. All you have to worry about is the dash speed and the animations folder right under it. So right here we have the animations for dash right, dash left, dash front, and dash back. A lot of people are having the error where they're dashing infinitely, and that's because they don't have the animation. So in order to get this animation and make it your own, what you want to do is you want to copy all these IDs. So you want to copy this ID here, go back to your home page, or you can just stay here, it really doesn't matter. And then you want to go under to your output and or terminal and write and go to run a command. Alright, so once you're down here, what you want to do now is that you're essentially going to write this into your command terminal. So when you have this, you're probably wondering what's this going to do. This is basically going to copy the animation and put this into our workspace for us. So once we copy the animation from our local script, so our dash right, you want to copy that and you want to put that inside of here and paste it. So you want to paste it right after the 2 front slashes. And then after we do that, we want to hit enter. And when we go into our workspace, we're going to have left. And now we're going to do the same thing for, sorry, this is supposed to be right. So we're going to do the same thing for the other one. So that's right. Then we're going to have front, copy paste it for the front. Then we're going to have back as well. Boom. And now you have all the animations you need to get this to work now. Alright, now once you have all your animations added into your Roblox Studio, what you want to do is you want to right click on the first one. It can be any one. We're going to start with the back one first. We're going to right click on the back one. And then we're going to go all the way down until we see save to Roblox. We're going to click on save the Roblox, and we're just going to change the name to back version 2. Actually, let's change this to back version to back v5. And then we don't have to put a description and just hit save. And then when we save this, you want to copy this link here. We're going to close this. We're going to go back into our local script, and we're going to replace this dash back with our new ID that we just made. And then we're going to repeat this step for the other 3 animations that we added using the script below. So let's just do that right now. Once we're finally done saving all our animation to Roblox, we can officially play the game and test it out. So let's hit F5 now and let's see what's going to happen. So as you can see now, the dash works with no problem. The only problem right now is the animations are just vice versa, but that's just a simple change that we can do right now within the local script. So what we can do here is we can copy this here, and we can just copy this right here as well. We can paste this down here, kind of paste this one down here. We can delete these here. We can play the game again, and then we can test it out, and the dash should be working in the right direction. So yep, left and right. Yep, and that's how you make your advanced dash system. If you have any more questions or have any more bugs or anything of that sort, please put them in the comments below. I would love to address y'all issues. I'll be making sure I'm updating all our systems and fixing every single issue. So if this did work for you, don't forget to like the video. If you did enjoy this video, I'm glad you did. I'm gonna make sure to keep up this content. So I'm gonna see y'all later.